So, for the most recent project for my PR Pubs class, we were asked to create two direct mailers that would go to a certain student. So, my first stakeholder was a senior female in high school who was interested in the University of Oklahoma but hadn't really decided which college she would be attending, and she was really interested in philanthropy and community. And having that really big community wherever she went. And so that's what my first direct mailer focused on. And then my second one was to the parents of that student. And these parents were not alumni or anything. And so I actually did some research of my own and was able to ask my parents and my aunt kind of what they looked for when they got direct mailers. They have two kids in high school and then a couple in college. And so they really knew what they were looking for. So they said they looked for scholarships, major options, safety on campus, involvement, things like that. So I included those in the two direct mailers. So proximity for the direct mailers was a little difficult. I had originally had all of the like words and margins towards the outside of the direct mailer, and so I had to bring those in just a little bit because when you read, you don't read from all the way to all the way from the top to all the way to the bottom. So kind of made sure that those were in order. And then with repetition, I actually kind of made sure that my direct mailers went directly along with the ones that OU had already created so that it would kind of flow all the way through and it had the same look that OU had. And I used the same icons in both of the direct mailers just so that they would really look like they went together. And for the contrast, I used a dark gray on the first direct mailer and a light beige on the second one. So it kind of goes along with the colors that OU already used in their direct mailers. And for the alignment, I made sure that everything kind of had a little bullet point, little emoji thing on there, just so that it was really easy to look through and people could read just straight through the direct mailer and get all the information that I had on there. So that was my two direct mailers that I produced for my PR Pubs class. Thanks for listening.